Hi, welcome back. Here we have my second physics extra credit project. It's a Leyden jar. Edit that out.
Bruh.
Leyden jar is actually a single layer capacitor that was developed in the 1700s. It's the earliest form of electrical storage known. As you may have noticed though, it's not charged. I need something to charge it. First try, alright. So here we have a very short length of PVC pipe that I'm going to now use this microfiber towel to charge up with static electricity. Let's give it 20 strokes. 1, 2. Let's do a time lapse to make this go faster.
You don't want to watch that.
Alright, so now it should be fully charged, so all I have to do to test it out, and it makes a little spark. But you might be asking, well, you only did 20, what happens if you do 1,000? Let's find out.
Five hours later.
$1,000. You would not believe how long this took. But, as you can see from me still wearing the same shirt, it's definitely the same day. Didn't take 5.5 hours or anything. Let's find out. Bro, are you okay?